Are you frustrated watching your hard-earned cash sit in a bank account that might as well be a piggy bank? What if you could redirect that money into an account that pays you dozens of times more interest, compounding daily and boosting your balance while you sleep? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to open a high-yield savings account, from choosing the right institution to funding your account and setting up automation that turns saving into a habit you can't break. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transform idle dollars into a powerful wealth-building engine. And stick around, because I'll share a simple automation trick that can add hundreds of dollars to your balance each year, and point you to my next video on choosing personal loans wisely. Let's unlock your money's potential. The cost of doing nothing. Most people leave their savings parked in a standard bank account, earning virtually zero interest. On a balance of $10,000, you might see $1 of interest over an entire year. Meanwhile, high-yield accounts today offer rates between 4 and 5%. That same $10,000 would generate $400 to $500 in interest over 12 months. Imagine what you could do with an extra $400. Cover a month's groceries, invest in your future, or finally book that getaway you've been dreaming about. Every day your money sits in a low-interest account, you're losing opportunities and falling behind the curve of wealth creation. Act 2. Finding and opening your account. First, you need to understand what makes a high-yield savings account different. These are typically offered by online banks that pass savings on to customers instead of funding branch networks. Despite the higher returns, your deposits remain safe under the same FDIC insurance that protects brick-and-mortar banks, up to $250,000. Once you appreciate that safety and return go hand in hand, the next step is selecting the right account. Look for an account with an annual percentage yield north of 3.5%, zero monthly maintenance fees, no or minimal balance requirements, and daily compounding so every dollar works harder for you. With your criteria set, visit the websites of 2 or 3 leading online banks. You'll need a valid social security number, a government-issued ID such as a driver's license or passport, and proof of address, typically a utility bill or similar document. The online application itself takes only a few minutes. You'll enter your personal information, verify your identity with the documents you uploaded, and then link an existing checking account to fund your new savings account. Many banks allow you to open your account with as little as $1. Once your application is approved, often within hours, you'll make an initial deposit. At that moment, your money starts earning the higher rate immediately. Act 3. Supercharging your savings. Opening the account is only half the battle. The real magic comes from automation. Go into your checking account's bill pay or transfer settings and schedule recurring deposits into your new high-yield savings account. Whether you choose weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly transfers, automation ensures you pay yourself first without relying on willpower. Over time, these consistent contributions, combined with daily compounding, create exponential growth. You might worry that rates will fall or that you need a large balance to see meaningful returns. Even if the APY dips to 2%, it still dwarfs the near-zero yields of traditional banks. And starting with just a few dollars per week adds up surprisingly fast. FDIC insurance protects every cent of your principal, so your peace of mind is guaranteed. The only risk is waiting too long. Promotional rates can change, and every day you delay is interest left uncollected. You've seen how effortless it is to open a high-yield savings account, fund it, and automate deposits so your future self reaps the rewards. Now it's time to take action. Head to the description, click the link to the bank that fits your needs, and start your first deposit today. If you're curious about smart borrowing and want to learn which personal loans can help you without trapping you in debt, click the video on your screen now. Top 10 personal loans, pros and cons. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's continue building your path to financial freedom together.